Hi, it's Jordan Weisinger from Mr. Palmer's 4th period class for the video final, and I'm here to teach you about velocity. But before we can get into that, I'm going to have to teach you about speed so we don't get it confused, because people get this confused a lot. So, to start off with speed is just going somewhere. So, let's say you get in your car and you go 60 miles. It's not 60 miles north, south, east, or west. It's just 60 miles. Speed has no direction whatsoever. Okay, so to think about speed, it's just the distance covered in the time given. So let's say you traveled 20 miles, and in that 20 miles, it took you 10 hours. So the 20 miles divided by the 10 hours it took would equals 2 miles per hour. So there you go. That's how you solve for speed. I'll have a little picture up after this. I can cut it out. Okay, Okay. And to get going with velocity, velocity is speed with a direction, but it's a little different. So let's say I walk in a line for 10 meters and there's no change in the pace, there's no nothing. It's just 10 meters straight at the same pace, and it only took me 5 seconds to get to my destination. So to solve for v, it would equal v for velocity. The distance is 10, so triangle d equals change over t, over time. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So it only took me 2 meters per second to get to where I was going. But I also want to teach you that there are some different forms of velocity, such as acceleration of velocity. So to think about that, acceleration is just moving faster at each second. So imagine the planet Jupiter. It speeds around the sun very fast, and it speeds up constantly. So, excuse me. So, to solve for this, you would just find the acceleration. So, the change in velocity over the change in time it would normally take. So, if the change was 20, it would be 20. And if the change in time was 10 seconds, it'd be 15. And I don't know how to divide that, so don't ask me. But there are also 2 types of way to find it. Is you could also draw it on a chart and show the acceleration, and then match the lines up and show how fast the acceleration is climbing up. Ugh.